one of Canada's wonders. This right here. A walk on the ocean floor. The tides goes way, way out, and then you walk, and have lots of adventures here. And go on these caves and on these rocks. But very dangerous. Don't want to let them fall on you. But this is very, very cool, huh? Yep. And then later on, when the tide comes way in, you can kayak. That's what I like to do, kayaking like this. And if you're almost right up to here, that's where the tide comes in. Alright, let's take a closer look down there at Hopewell Rocks. Okay, here we have the bottom of Hopewell Rocks. We must have like 25 people here or something. All kinds of tourists. Lots of tourists here. And we go miles and miles and miles that way. And you go this way, goes miles and miles that way. And over there, that's when you take the kayaks. Be great fun. And then we have tunnels here. Okay, now we're heading right into underneath this grand rock. Look at this, very dangerous. Oh boy, it might fall at any moment, but Pete Bubble is brave. Very brave. There it is right there. Okay, so we gotta go. Danger zone, here we go, and people has no fear, and we're here at Hopewell Rocks in the danger zone. Once again, Pete Papalopoulos goes where nobody has gone before, underneath the grounds of the Hopewell Rocks. That's the only way out over here. Alright, don't attempt this at home, people, because you don't have Hopewell Rocks at home. Alright, here we are right here, a very pretty spot here. Okay, let's get out of here, people. Definitely this is Pete's 16th and a half stars right here. This is definitely it. So a must see when you're in New Brunswick.